Morning children, welcome to our 5th class science session. This is our body lesson. In this lesson we have to completion PC session. We have to learn about the nervous system. The system is most important system as it controls all the body systems and sense organs. Yes, we have organs. How can build it? Cells. Cells is the most building parts of our body. How it is cells build up? That our body is made up of tiny building blocks is called cells. Cells made up of cells. We have various type of cells. The group of cells are called together form a tissue. Yes or no? The group of cells are become a tissue. There are different types of tissues in our body, and the tissues, the group of tissues are together make an organ. An organ is that organs means brain, heart, lungs, kidney, stomach. These are called organs in our body, and the group of organs work together to perform a specific function. An organ system. Yes or no? It is that cells is the main first building blocks. Cells, group of cells make two tissues. Group of tissues together work form a organs. Organs like heart, brain, stomach, lungs. These are the organs. Organs, group of organs maintain that organ systems. Group of organ system become a organism. That is we, human being. That is we, human being. In our organ system, so many different kinds of systems are there. Like a respiratory system, it is consisted to breathing, and second one is that circulatory system. It is circulatory means to parts of the main parts, blood vessels, heart. It is sent to all parts of body, blood, and through the blood vessels. And the next is that circulatory system. After we have to learn about that skeleton system. It is made up of bones. Bones gives us support and shape. It gives us to body to support, and it is that main organs are that bones, joints in this skeleton system. And next we should learn about the digestive system. Digestive system, what food gives us energy, what food we are taking, that food gives us energy, that food makes us to live. Food makes us to live. That is that food makes us energy. That food we have to take through the mouth, through the food pipe. It goes into stomach. The main organs of that digestive system is food pipe, mouth, food pipe, stomach, large intestine, small intestine. What is that? Digested food is stored in that small intestine system. It become form of blood. The blood gives us energy. The blood gives to all that body, and waste material through the anus to outside, out of the body. Next we have to learn about that nervous system. The system is the most important system as it controls all other body systems and sense organs. It is control all the body systems, body organs and sense organs. Sense organs is there. What are they? Sense organs, how can we can feel, we can give a reaction, is that called sense organs. How many sense organs are there in our body? There are 5 sense organs: eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin. These are the 5 sense organs. It controls. Which one controls? The nervous system controls the sense organs and all body systems. Body systems means we have to learn about now the systems. And the next one is that nervous system made up of 3 parts. What is that? How many parts are there in nervous system? That is brain, spinal cord and the nerves. What is the main organs in the nervous system? The brain and the spinal cord and the nerves. The spinal cord is located in the back side of the body. It is like this down the neck to hip joint. And it is that our body is covered with internal connected network of nerves. It is connected, internal connected network of nerves. These nerves are long thread like structure. It is long thread like structure. They carry message. These are the long thread like structure. They carry message communication messages between the brain and other parts of the body. The brain and other parts of the body. Brain analyzes the messages, process them, and then sends instructions to different parts through the nerves. To the instructions, which one give the instructions? The brain gives to the instructions to the various parts of the nerves. It is different parts through the nerves. And for example, if our hand is accidentally touches the sharp objects like knife, needle, yes, what will happen? The brain coordinates with the different parts of nerves and orders to remove the hand from the sharp object. If we touch fire, what we can feel? We can feel, tell me, we can feel harm, burning. Then brain instructs to remove the hand from them. These are the one example of control the all body parts and sense organs of nervous system. Now we have to learn about the excretory system. It is process by which the waste products get removed from the body. The process is carried out by the excretory system. This system is doing what is that? The process with which the waste products from the body, and the process is carried outside of the excretory system do these properties. And we can move that what the waste products are there in our body, that is removed from this. This process is carried out by excretory system. Various organs that is from the excretory system. In human beings, our main organs are the main parts of the system. In human beings are kidneys, uterus, urinary gland and urethra. These are the main organs of the excretory system. And the waste products that excreted from our excretory system include urine and feces. Urine sent through the urinary bladder. The kidneys are the pair bean-shaped. Kidneys are pair of bean-shaped organs, and they are located in either side of the spinal cord. They are located either remain spinal cord or just above the waist, and that they clean the blood by removing. They clean. The kidneys are cleaned the blood by removing waste products. Them. What is the waste products are there? It can remove that from the body, and that kidneys and urinary bladder remove the waste products of the blood. That urine is stored in the urinary bladder temporarily, and urethra opens outside through a small opening which is in processing of the urine. And that not only these parts, and lungs and skin also excretory organs. Lungs remove the carbon dioxide from our body, that we are taking air inside the oxygen, we are giving outside the carbon dioxide, and skin removes water and salts in the form of sweat, and the skin also removing the water and salt from the form of sweat. Up to here we have to learn in this lesson total what are the sense organs are there, what are the organ systems there, organs how can build in this lesson we have to learn. The building blocks is called cells, that is we learn about that. Group of lungs, cells are called form of two tissues, group of tissues form make a organ, so many organs work together be a organ system. So many all the organ system form a organism. In this lesson we have to learn about this one, and these children you should learn that what body is there in your textbook, that is the meanings of that. In this there rib cage, a cage like structure made up of covered bones, that is called rib cage. In this every lesson you have word body. If you have any doubt you can learn that from that. And yellow color table are there. This also you can learn about the what they are doing. And that moreover children in this lesson we have to learn about that what are the organs are there, what are the organ systems are there in our body, how they are functioning in our body, what are the uses, how can we protect it. It is in this lesson we have to learn this lesson, and children should buy the textbooks. We have to end up this lesson and we have to go to next class, next session. Compulsory buy the textbooks. Each textbooks you contesting 2 textbooks. One is the course book, one is the application book. Thank you.